Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by making sure your device firmware and PC drivers are current. This prevents recognition problems. Once done, install Logitech G Hub and run it as administrator so it can access device settings. Make sure to close other peripheral software to avoid conflicts. That simplifies detection. When G Hub opens, it scans for devices automatically. If your device appears, click it to begin configuration. If not, try reconnecting the USB or restarting the app to force a fresh scan. Now you'll build practical profiles and tune inputs for performance. Create a profile for each game or application and link it to the executable so it switches automatically. Then adjust DPI and polling rates to match your playstyle, and remap buttons to reduce friction. That's how you save time in critical moments. For visuals, design lighting zones, pick effects, and set brightness. Make sure to sync only where needed to prevent CPU overhead. Once configured, save and test the profile in real use to refine settings. Finish by adding advanced controls. Record macros with intentional delays and assign them to specific buttons so you avoid accidental triggers. Enable auto updates and backup profiles to the cloud or export local files to keep your work safe. Make sure to test macros and layer priority so functions don't conflict. If something goes wrong, like the device not detected, swap USB ports, reinstall G Hub, or run a firmware reset. That simple troubleshooting fixes most connectivity and recognition issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.